Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic absolute value function. Okay, so before starting the problem I want to tell you that you can get more important problems of mathematics on our website education-adda.com. The link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can go and get access to math important questions? What you have to do? You have to visit education-adda.com. Then you select menu option. In that you will get academics adda, and in that you will get one tab called math important questions. Okay. So you can access this from by this way. Also, these questions are available on our YouTube channel playlist, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay. So coming back to the problem, what is given? See, one absolute value function is given, and we have to find the value of x satisfying this equation. Okay. So here it is given as 1 minus 2x, and absolute value of this equal to 3. And what will be the value of x? We have to solve for x. See, it is given as modulus of 1 minus 2x equal to 3, or absolute value of 1 minus 2x equal to 3. So we can conclude that the absolute value will be either equal to value of 1 minus 2x. It can be either equal to 3 or it can be minus 3. Then only absolute value will be equal to 3. So 1 minus 2x can either be equal to 3 or it can be equal to minus 3. So we have to break this into two equations and solve them independently. Okay. So one equation we will get 1 minus 2x equal to 3, and other equation we will get as 1 minus 2x equal to minus 3. So from this, see, subtracting 1 both sides, what we will get? Minus 2x equal to 3 minus 1, or minus 2x equal to 2. Therefore x will be equal to minus 1. And from this equation, what we will get? See, subtracting 1 from both sides, we will get minus 2x equal to minus 4. Therefore x equal to 2. So the solution of x will be equal to x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics on the topic absolute value function. Okay. Thank you.